How to check sent follow requests on Instagram. Step 1. Open your Instagram on your mobile device or your web browser and make sure that you're logged in to your main account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner and go to your profile page. And then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the settings and privacy. Step 3. Scroll down and go to your account center. Or right after clicking the three lines at the top right, you can find Account Center. And then after selecting it, you can now go scroll down and go to your information and permissions. And then after that, you will be redirected to this page. And then step 5, click export your information. And then after clicking that, you will be redirected to this one, and then click create export and then export to your device. And then after downloading all of them, the file that was named pending follow request.html should be there. And then step 6, open that file and then you will see there your sent follow request on Instagram. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.